I'm Sukumar Burla, and topic for our group presentation is biomedical technology. Definition: biomedical technology refers to the application of engineering and technology principles to the domain of living or biological systems. Terms like biotechnology can be medical, environmental, or agricultural in application. Biomedical technology involves biomedical science, biomedical informatics, biomedical instrumentation, and biotechnology. Coming to the biomedical instrumentation, before learning about biomedical instrumentation, let's learn what instrumentation is. So, instrumentation is defined as the use of measuring instruments to monitor and control a process. Actually, it is the art and science of measurement and control of process variables within a production laboratory or manufacturing area. So, biomedical instrumentation is the field of creating such instruments that help us to measure, record, and transmit data to or from the body. Now, we are going to list the instruments which are weird with technology. There are many instruments which are used in the biomedical, such as X-rays, MRI, ultrasound, and CT scan, and we are going to discuss about each of them briefly. Now we are going to discuss about the first instrument in the list, which is used in the biomedical technology. X-rays are a form of electromagnetic radiation which is similar to the visible light. Unlike light, however, X-rays have higher energy and can pass through most objects, including the body. Medical X-rays are used to generate images of tissues and structures inside the body. The frequency of X-rays is approximately 1020 Hz and its wavelength is approximately zero point zero 0.01 to 10 nanometers.
Hi, this is Santosh. I am here to explain a few parts about the biomedical technology. Yeah, now I'm going to explain about the MRI and the ultrasound. The MRI technology is advanced technology after the X-ray. The MRI means the abbreviation is magnetic resonance imaging. Yeah, in this MRI technology, the main use of MRI is used for the scanning and for the detection purposes. And this is scanning for use for the uh, detection of abnormalities in all parts of the body. And this technology uses very much low the radiation and also the frequencies is like 40 to 130 hertz. These ranges is like a very normal frequency range, and this is not going to affect the health or side effects or anything. And also this is going to provide information more about the blood circulation of the whole body. And in this technology there are no any other kind of radiation involvement. Yeah, now coming to the ultrasound technology, which came after the MRA. This ultrasound is also called as the ultrasound scanning or the imaging. The ultrasound is a method of diagnosing with high frequency and also sound waves in every part of the body.
Computerized tomography scan combines a series of X-ray images taken from different angles and uses computer processing to create cross-sectional images or slices of the bones, blood vessels and soft tissues inside your body. CT scan images provide more detailed information than plain X-rays do. Advantages: by using technology we can get the output very precise. Work can be done at very fast pace. We can able to achieve new techniques to cure diseases. Hello friends, my name is Vamsi. Now I would like to discuss the role of biomedical technology in healthcare. Biomedical imaging makes up approximately 10% of the total device industry and is showing a steady growth of 5 to 10% per year. With changes in the healthcare environment due to the rising costs, which necessarily equal improved care. There is a need to alter the present business models for all the various components that make up healthcare. The biomedical industry continues to grow globally. In the US, almost every hospital must have its own multi slice CT scanners, and now there is a very rapid integration of the new 3.0 Tesla MRI scanners. Here comes biomedical technologies. There are two technologies related to the biomedical technologies. They are cloning, therapeutic cloning. So here comes cloning. So what do you mean cloning? Cloning is the process of forming identical genetic offspring from a single cell. It is a natural process that happens daily in nature when organisms produce exact duplicates of themselves by asexual reproduction, which includes binary fission and budding. And next, cloning is referred to as asexual reproduction, but the DNA originates from a single parent. So, the first cloning was started in 1958. Frederick Stewart grew a carrot from the root cells. Clones are not actually identical in the presence, they are identical in genetics. A clone has the genes of only one parent, so it is genetically identical to that parent. We have half of our genes from one parent and half from the other. So, this can be clearly shown in the picture below. Cloning in animals. Genetic information from a fin-dorsed sheep. Inculated ovum from a pole-dorsed sheep. Surrogate mother gives up to black-faced sheep. Offspring which leads to clone of the fin digit. This is clearly explained in the picture of the side of this presentation. So the picture clearly describes about the cloning using a somatic cell as a source of DNA. Cloning in flowering plants. Plants are asexual reproduction. Two plants combine to make one zygote through the process of fertilization of a female cell by a male cell. Some plants have separate sexes with one type of sex organ on each. Poplar trees, for example. While some plants have both sexes on the plant, they are called hermaphrodites. The best example would be tomatoes. Most plants develop or mature in one growing season.
Hi, my name is Shashank, and my topic is regarding technology and society. Technology and human life cannot be separated, and since society has a cyclical codependence on technology, humans use technology to travel, to communicate, to learn, to do business, and to live in comfort. We use technology, depend on technology in our daily life, and our needs and demands for technology keep on rising. It is impossible to explore how each new advanced technology has impacted our lives and how it will impact the future. Coming to technology has improved transportation. Transportation is one of the basic areas of technological activity. Both society and businesses have benefited from the new transmission methods. Transportation provides mobility for people and goods. Transportation, like all other technologies, can be viewed as a system. It is a series of parts that are interrelated. These parts all work together to meet a certain goal. Transportation uses vehicles, trains, airplanes, motorbikes, people, road, energy, information, material, finance, and time. Technology has improved education and learning process. Education is the backbone of every economy. People need well and organized educational infrastructures so that they can learn how to interpret information. Many schools have started integrating educational technologies in their schools with the great aim of improving the way students learn. Technologies like smart whiteboards, computers, mobile phones, iPads, projectors, and internet are being used in classrooms to boost students' morale to learn. Negative impacts of technology on society: increased population. Technology has helped us live longer by improving health facilities and aiding in the research for solutions for most health problems which affect humans. In developed countries, population growth is controlled by advanced birth control methods. This has helped them balance their population in relation to natural resources and other opportunities which come with the planned population. In developing countries, the rate at which people produce is very high, the mortality rate is high, food is scarce, and healthcare is poor. In increased population, population affects the land we grow crops on, the water we drink, and the air we breathe. The increased demand for new technologies and advancement of technologies has resulted into many manufacturing and processing factors. As they work so hard to create the best technologies for both society and business, they release harmful chemicals and gases which have polluted our environment, and this has resulted into climate changes. So the more technology we enjoy, the more we harm our environment.